Hey everyone, friends, on the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to use a dedicated graphics card for Minecraft, or a discrete card. You know, a separate video card that's not integrated, to put it simply. To do this, open Minecraft and without closing it, right-click on the Start button and open the Task Manager. There. Next, we need to find our Minecraft. It's not called Minecraft, it's OpenJDK Platform Binary. Right-click on it and select Properties. And we're interested in this path. Right, we copy it. Next, go to Graphics Settings. Click Add Application. Paste the path we just copied. Here we select Java EXE, and then we can also select Java WEXE, these two applications. Click Add. There it is. Click and select the video card you need. Here's RTX 360 in my case for OpenJDK Platform Binary. There. And select your graphics card accordingly. Done. That's all. This was Valor. See you later.